quick recap. If you watched yesterday's vlog, you've seen us go out to San Diego. You've seen TJ Hunt and Calvin cut into my Supra and lay the first panels on the wide body kit. I'm pumped. I'm excited. You excited?
I'm excited.
You guys excited? I can't wait to see the thing done. We're gonna do an epic wrap on it, of course, but the car is gonna get painted, and now it's actually on its way to SOS. SOS Customz has been working with TJ for a while. Cut to the song, cut to the song. Get it, hey. Just kidding. SOS Customz, great guys, great work. I tuned into their YouTube channel, so we're actually gonna go over to their shop now where my Supra is currently being transported to. So I just got word that the car's on the trailer. It's going over there to have final adjustments done to the bodywork. Some of the welding is going to be done into the wheel wells. SOS is going to take care of all that. So I just want to go over there, meet with them, talk to the guys, go over the plan, figure out what we're going to do here. So let's get over to SOS. It's about 1 hour drive. It's about a 1 hour drive, right? 1 hour and 7 minutes. So bear with us, guys. We're going to make our way over there. I'm going to hang out and talk to my guy here. If you guys don't know who I am and you don't know who this is, my name is Daniel, and this is...
My name's Hefe.
What do you go by? What do you go by?
I mean, you didn't even get my face. You just showed my double chin. That's all you did.
This is my roll dog. This is what we do every single day. We hang out, we talk cars, and welcome to our channel, guys. All right, guys, we're gonna give you a quick little update. We're getting close, but as Hefe and I were talking, Nope. Like, as Hefe and I were talking, as we're coming up here, we realized that we're still a wrap shop, and we still do a giveaway every 100,000 subscribers. So I'm just gonna say it real quick right here in the middle of the vlog.
It's like the first minute of the vlog.
The first minute. At 300,000 subscribers, we're giving away a car wrap. And what that means is myself, the crew, all of us will go out, wrap your car wherever you're at in the world, whatever you drive, it doesn't matter. All you gotta do is be a subscriber to the channel and go down to the link below and sign up for the giveaway. Super easy to do. We've randomly drawn 2 winners already. We went to Utah, we went to Portland, Oregon. Let's go to Hawaii, let's go to Japan, let's go somewhere crazy next. But wanted to mention that real quick. Make sure you guys subscribe. Now back to the vlog. Hey, what's up, brother? How are you?
How's it going,
Where do you want us to park?
Stuff to get to fit, you know. So we've done a couple of these already, so
Yeah.
pretty used to how the flow goes and getting it looking nice and stuff like that.
So I told him, I was like, you guys been doing it, killing it. You guys know the kit already more than anybody in this world. So I'd rather have you guys do everything, you know, to finish it off. But I just wanted to come over and chop it up with you and figure out where we're at with everything, time frame, cost, all of that.
Yeah, well, let's wrap all that up, man. Yeah, been dying to work with you too, bro. So
Yeah.
it's just, you know,
This is it. This is our chance.
with one phone, you know.
Yo, I'm gonna be bringing you a car too. I told you I want to bring my DPR.
Oh yeah. Keep this one on. We have a freaking. Yeah, I got one right there. Got that one over there. The white one right there.
Yep.
Got a blue one over there. And you know, it's like a mobile bank account. You know,
Yeah.
it's just like you have it. You get to enjoy it too.
Yep.
You know. Freaking.
So what are you guys getting out of those now at this point? Fully restored, like.
It really depends on how much money you get into it, you know. So I got the blue one out there. I listed it for 45 grand. I got somebody like, you know, right now will take it for 35. I'm like, should I let it go?
Yeah.
I only have 17 into it.
Yeah.
So I'm like, should I let it go? Or should
hang on to it for
or you know
another
what I mean?
10.
You know what I mean? And then, but what's really the golden ticket on those is to put the 5.0 in them.
Yeah.
Which is, I mean, obviously it's expensive. That's a 100K car out there.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I had done one with world famous 4x4 out in LA. They had built a Bronco for actually my old boss at the time. 100 grand, dude.
Yeah.
They did the 5.0 swap into it.
Yeah.
It was insane though, man. It was so dope. 100 G's though, all day.
Yeah, you
know?
won't find one cheaper. You
Yeah.
know, at the auctions they're bringing 125, 150 and stuff like that. So
That's crazy.
you know, I mean, if you build it all yourself, I mean, you're not gonna have that into it, you know. But
Yeah.
it's just the time,
Right.
The time and fronting all the money up front, you know.
Right.
So, I mean, shoot, I see what you guys can do, man. I know you guys can. You know,
Yeah,
it's
we want to. We want to. So that's kind of my end goal right now, to start building and flipping. And then I want to use it across the game.
Let the primer really dry.
Looks good.
Yeah, I feel bad for the guy, man. This guy, the car only had like 40,000 miles on it, right? Got in a little front end fender bender. They totaled the car. Okay. And you know, S2000 market is going crazy right now, right?
Yeah.
And 44,000 miles, you know, original clean title. They cashed him out only at $15K.
Oh,
and this car is like a $23,000 car, the way it was.
No price adjustment on
Yeah,
insurance.
Exactly. And so he's like, fuck, he's like, let's fix it, you know? So we're doing it.
Putting that money back into it.
Yeah.
So you about to start talking numbers?
Yeah, we're gonna find out if Oscar's gonna scare me away.
You better check see how much you made on the website today.
I'm gonna give you the best price that I can. We're doing this in this like little shed, and you know, I'm like doing it almost every day. Like I'm not even doing any upholstery now. And then so I was like, you know what? I should get like a little certification just so I can show customers. And then sure enough, I was like, you know, hey dude, you know, get a little spa. I'll help you out for the first couple months so you guys can get a little spa. And so I was
Was it out here?
Yeah, it was literally right around the corner from her shop.
That's crazy.
She had a little hole in the wall shop.
Yeah.
And I was like, it's like, dude, like, you know, my business is not big, but you know, I don't have to work for nobody else, you know.
Yeah.
And so we did that. You know, she helped us out, and she, without her, you know, we never had a dad in our life, so I mean, she was the one putting us on. And I was like, yeah, we'll do it. So we did it, and sure enough, dude, like people just showed love. I mean, that's how it started. Just people, oh, dude, you guys do custom. I don't know nobody that does custom work.
Yeah.
So we just started doing like little stuff, bumpers here, and little by little. I mean, we established in 2007, so we've been doing this for quite a long time, you know. And
yeah, we're right around the same time. I was 2007, 2008 when I kind of got mine going.
And so, you know, in 2012 is when we moved to this location.
Okay.
And it was a huge jump from our little hole in the wall to what we have here, because like not only it's big size, but twice the price tag a month, you know. So it's like, it was like kind of more of that challenge of you know, more rents, you know. And then I was like, well, you know, fuck, we can't keep up now, and now I need to hire another guy, and then another guy, and then, you know, this guy didn't work out, so I gotta go, and then, you know, to find a crew that I know, hey, I can vouch for this guy who's gonna do good work, and, you know, and just to make it all, everybody work, and, you know, together, and to accomplish one thing. It's pretty cool, man. It's like I totally, when I was, you know, 14, 15, I did not think this is where I would be.
Yeah.
You know? So it's just part of the plan, you know?
It's the way it feels, right? It's like, this is what you're supposed to do.
Yeah, right.
We just tapped into it. I always tell people when they ask me, I'm like, they're like, how'd you end up doing what you're doing? I'm like, you know what? I just tapped into what I was supposed to be doing. Yeah. It was what was meant for me, because I think I could have did so much shit wrong, but the things that I did right put me exactly where I was supposed to be, you know?
Exactly, yeah.
And I think sometimes people miss that because they get scared of like what you're talking about earlier, because our stores are so similar, like moving from that little shop into the bigger shop where you're like, well, fuck, I'm double the rent, bro. Like, how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna swing this? And then it ends up working. Then it ends up working out really well. So people are always scared to take that jump to figure out if it's actually gonna work.
Yeah, and don't get me wrong, plenty of hiccups along the way, plenty. You know?
I don't even have to ask you. I know. I know.
You know, it's just, I mean, but that's just it. It's just a learning experience, you know?
Exactly. And that's why I even told you, I was like, yo, like, I'm so excited about this. Before I get too excited, let's cut to it. Because I know, I'm looking at it like this, though. I'm like, yo, I know, like, I value everybody's time around me and what they do. So I know it comes with the price tag. And I know, like, there's other things that are ahead of mine with my surprise Supra that came in, you know? Like, we didn't even, we didn't know about this car being wide body until, a day ago? He had his backpack for 3 weeks. Just waiting for me to say, hey, we're going to San Diego because my car is wide body. So.
Look at rubber.
All right, guys. You like that?
All right, I was just talking to
we just left SOS. We're going back to Hunt Quarters. Ooh, nice little Grom over there.
You missed it.
Did I? I'm the worst. Heading back over to
Hunt Corners.
Heading back over to Hunt Corners, we're gonna meet with Throttle. We have a project that we're actually working on with them, which is a ice cream truck that we're gonna be wrapping. So we're in the neighborhood, we left SOS, decided to go back to Hunt Quarters and kind of get everything flattened out, ironed out. What is the word?
Ironed out.
I don't know.
Oh, it's time to be the receiver.
Shut your fucking
You
mouth,
idiot.
dude.
I'm gonna be the receiver from TJ.
It's been a long day, guys. It's been a long day. But we're gonna go back to Hunt Quarters before we take our hour-and-a-half drive home. We're gonna go catch up with the guys. So you'll see everybody from Throttle. And if you don't follow them already, make sure you subscribe to their channel. We'll have a link below. Let's go.
What the hell was that, man? What was that? You pay me to make you look good and you give me that?
Yeah.
You know what?
I'm about to spend a lot of money here.
Hashtag Daniel Witt. Oh yeah, dude, you're about to drop a pretty penny.
Yeah, I wasn't planning on selling out. Like I was just gonna keep them there as like a wholesale thing, and they sold out.
Let me see what happened.
I'm gonna take it off, rip my hair off. I just burned it.
Oh,
I was like cutting the plastic fender liner, and I was like holding it in a weird way. And when that plastic fender liner melts, or you cut it, it melts, and it's like almost like lava. It's like glue. And a big chunk like flipped off and landed on my arm, and holding the cutoff wheel. And I was with Calvin. I just was like, fuck! And I'm just like watching because like I'm holding the cutoff wheel. I can't do anything. So I like set it down, and I'm just like watching it fucking
dry up.
Literally just actually like I saw my skin just like disintegrate.
Well, I'm glad you're okay. He's whack, so it's his fault.
How you guys feeling today? I don't see any bikes in the back of the car.
No.
You know, and if I remember correctly, you said every time we come down here we'll have bikes, and I don't see any bikes in the back.
Somebody, I'm just gonna say, somebody bitched out.
Did you find any thorns in your arm today? You didn't find
No, actually, I think the Under Armour saved me. I really think the Under Armour saved me. And I had the shorts, like the thick bike shorts under my shorts, so.
Alright, dude. Later, man. Alright, so our days are always crazy, and I think you're gonna start to realize that as these vlogs progress, because I want to open up and I want to show you more of my day, Hefe's day, kind of what we do as business owners, because him and I are both business owners. I do what I do, and he does what's on this camera. Films all day. That's one of his businesses. Yeah. So, you know, with all that said, you guys are gonna start seeing a lot more. And right now, I just had a quick meeting. We came over here, obviously, to see SOS, to see TJ, to talk about the Supra, and a lot of you guys are here for that content. But with that said, there's so much more on the back end. We're also working with Throttle. We're gonna be wrapping their ice cream truck, which is gonna be a cool project for us. It's unique. I've never wrapped an ice cream truck. So I came and met with Evan and just discussed some of the things we're gonna be doing with that ice cream truck. So it's gonna be a really cool project. And then we always, as other entrepreneurs, sit down. If you guys are business owners, you know how crazy those conversations can go from one dynamic to another, you know, and that's what happened today. It's got a little late. We're gonna drive home. We might take you guys on the road with this. We might close it up here. What do you think? What should we do?
I don't think they want to see us driving.
Let's close it up.
We'll just close it up.
We're gonna close it up. So we came out, we seen the Supra, we met with TJ, we met with Evan, we visited SOS, we went over there, we seen the Supra, and I mean, TJ, you killed it, bro. It looks so dope. I'm like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I'm like in shock that the Supra is mine. It's gonna be wide body. It's gonna have a sick, you know, what am I gonna say?
Wide body wheels.
Wide body, wheels,
suspension.
And air suspension setup. I mean, this thing is gonna be dope. I can't wait to take it to shows and just be able to show you guys. So shout out to SOS. I can't wait for them to get on the car. They're gonna need the car for about three weeks to a month, I'm assuming. But I do understand it's the car world. Things take time. So I want them to have the time to do it right. So Hefe will be out here to film content with them as much as he can, but it is an hour-and-a-half drive for us. So ending the vlog, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I mentioned earlier, we give away a car wrap every 100,000 new subscribers. We're at 261,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this journey with us. As we hit 300,000, we're gonna give away another car wrap. It could be you.
It could.
Could be you or her. Or
yeah, don't be. Hey, wait. Do I get paid for driving out here?
Yeah, 100%.
I'm not filming anymore. You can say the truth now.
Fuck no.